I'm going to walk you through making viral ASMR videos without using Google Veo 3. As you probably know, Google Veo 3 isn't available in every country. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to create the same videos from any location. First, I'll guide you through writing perfect prompts, then creating eye-catching fruit object images, and finally turning them into stunning ASMR videos with sound, just like Google Veo 3. And I'm not just going to show you how to create glass fruit ASMR videos. No matter where you live, by the end of this video, you'll know how to create ASMR videos for any object you want. As a first step, we'll create our prompts to create the objects. I've prepared a prompt formula for you. With this prompt formula, you can generate any object in any material and any color. I've highlighted the important parts in yellow. In this section, you write what kind of object you want. Here, you write what material it's made of. And here, you specify the color and texture. This way, your object becomes clearly defined, and when it's rendered, the texture and material are also specified. This part is crucial. We want a wide format for YouTube, so we also mention that at the end. Let me show you an example. Here, I've prepared a prompt for a red glass strawberry. As you can see, I've clearly stated what the object is, what it's made of, and its color. This prompt is enough to generate a red glass strawberry with widescreen format. Another example, here's a prompt to generate a lava rock. Again, in the highlighted section, I specify what the object is, what material it's made of, its color, and texture. This prompt will produce a lava rock. Using this formula, you can create any object, real or imaginary. Now that we have these prompts, in the next step, we'll generate images of our objects. In this step, we'll generate our images. I'll use ChatGPT for this. It can now create quite successful images. Of course, you can also use other image generators like Leonardo AI or whichever tool you prefer. First, I'll generate the red glass strawberry, so I'll copy the earlier prompt and paste it here for generation. Yes, the red glass strawberry is ready, as you can see. It has a very nice and artistic look. Now I'll generate the lava rock. Yes, the lava rock is also ready, but the surroundings turned out a bit dark. So, I'll make a small tweak. Now it looks much clearer. The lava rock is more visible. If there's any part of your image you're not satisfied with, you can simply write an additional prompt like this to adjust it. And finally, in this step, I download the generated images to my computer and get them ready for animation. As the final step, we'll animate the generated images as if they're being cut by a knife. For this, I've prepared another prompt formula for you. This formula creates a scene where a human hand comes in, cuts the object, opens it up, and one half drops down. I've highlighted the key parts in yellow again. In the object section, you write the object name. If you want to show a specific material inside when it's cut, you specify it there. And for sound, you write the type of sound effect you want. Let's go through our examples again. We'll start with the first one. The red glass strawberry. I've entered it here, but to make it a bit different, I used orange glass for the inside and added glass cutting sound. I also included some extra detail for the sound. Now I'll copy this prompt and use a video generator. I'll use Kling AI. You might know it. It's one of the top tools among video generators which you can use from any location. After logging in, simply go to the Generate Video section and upload the image. I'll upload the strawberry image we created. By the way, the image was a bit dark, so like we did for the lava rock, I increased its lighting. We place the strawberry in the scene, then paste the copied prompt below and start the generation. The video is ready. Let's check it out. Looks great. The lighting changes, the orange interior when it's cut, and the glass cutting sound. All turned out very well. Now let's try the other image. I'll upload the lava rock and use the second prompt I prepared. In this example, I wrote lava as the object and described its inside as actual lava along with burning sounds. I'll paste this prompt into the app and start generating. It's done. Let's see how it turned out. Looks great again. The cutting sound and a little burning sound on the background, and the interior really looks like lava. So, as you can see, you can use this method to create a video of any object you want, filled with any material you choose, and styled in any color and sound you like. All the tools and prompts I used are linked in the description. Go check them out to start creating today. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe. It is like a digital high five to me. Remember, building your content business is a journey. Stay curious, keep improving, and don't stop publishing. Wishing you huge success. Your next big win might be just one video away. See you in the next one.